Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize interactive brokers for automated trading signals, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize interactive brokers for automated trading signals, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the interactive broker's website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Account Management section. Click on the Settings tab. Find the third-party access option in the Settings menu. Select API to manage application programming interface settings. Check if the Enable ActiveX and Socket Clients option is selected. If not, toggle to enable this feature. Next, go to the User Settings section. Under Risk Management, ensure that your risk settings align with automated trading. Access the API settings by clicking on the respective link. Here, you can set your trusted IP addresses. Add the IP address or range for the application sending trading signals. Select the Enable TWS API option. Adjust the connection settings as needed, like socket port. Save your changes to confirm the new settings. Now, launch your Trader Workstation (TWS) application. In TWS, navigate to the Edit menu. Select Global Configuration. Click on API from the left menu panel. Allow connections from localhost by enabling the Enable ActiveX and Socket Clients checkbox. Adjust additional API settings for safety. Return to your main TWS workspace. Next, confirm your connection by using a third-party software tool. Run your automated trading software. Monitor the logs for successful connections. Set your trading strategies within the trading software. Ensure your automated signals are appropriately programmed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.